Hey everyone, this is Pratishtha. Hope you're all good, fine, and safe. So let's talk about today's video. As you know, Karwachauth is coming up, so I thought why not do a video on Karwachauth makeup look. Here is the look that we'll achieve after doing this makeup. If you like this look, be with me, watch this video till the end. So without further ado, let's go ahead with our tutorial. So guys, I have already prepped my skin with CTM, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. Now I'm using a primer from Colorbar. We'll take a few drops and apply on our face. Then apply foundation. Here I have taken L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Fresh Wear Foundation. It's really a very good foundation with a very good coverage. It blends very easily and very nicely. You just need to tap and not drag the brush. So guys, we'll start from eyes. We'll complete the eye makeup first and then we'll apply the foundation and everything on face, because if anything falls out on our cheeks, then again we need to wipe it out and our base will be disturbed. So we'll first complete our eyes and then we'll move on. Okay, so after you have completed applying the foundation, take any beauty blender, dab on your skin so that it perfectly blends and gives a neat and clean look. After your foundation is neatly blended, we need to set it with a setting powder. Here I have taken Swiss Beauty's Prime and Set Primer and Mattifying Loose Powder to set my base. And guys, I have mentioned all the links for the products in the description box. Do check it. Once the base is set with a loose powder, we will go ahead and apply the eyeshadow. Here I have taken Miss Claire eyeshadow palette. So first I'll take a transition color. Here I have taken this transition color and I will apply it on the crease. You need to hold brush very lightly and the stroke should be very neat and smooth. Then I'll take little darker shade and will apply on the outer lid. Not the whole lid, just the outer side of my lid. Once you are done, you need to take a white shade and apply in the inner corner of the lid. So guys, I'll take little bit of darker shade and add it towards my outer side of the lid to give a proper gradient effect. So once both the eyes are done, I'll take a shimmer of the same shade and will apply from inner corner to mid of my lid. So I'm applying shimmer from my finger because I feel finger blends the shimmer very easily, very beautifully than brush does. After we are done with the eyeshadow, we'll apply the liner. Here I have taken Swiss Beauty gel eyeliner and I'll apply a winged eyeliner. So guys, you might experience some flickering of lights, that because of power cut due to heavy rain. Please excuse me for this video. Next time I'll take care of this. Both the eyes are done, they have come out very beautiful. Now we'll move to eyebrow. Here I've taken Miss Claire eyebrow palette. I'll take a darker shade, not a black one but dark brown, and I'll start with the mid of my eyebrow and not from the starting. So now we'll move to face. Here I've taken same L'Oreal foundation which I used for eye. I'm applying on my face. I'll start from my cheeks because that is a larger area. So while you are applying on your face, apply some foundation on your neck as well. Again, I'll take a beauty blender and dab on my face so that base is set very nicely, neatly and smooth. Then comes powder to set your base. So here I have applied again the same Swiss Beauty Prime and Set loose powder. Now I'm taking a highlighter from Miss Claire highlighter and contouring palette. So I'll apply this little bit of highlighter on my ear duct and will complete my kajal. So I'm stretching a little bit of my liner from inner side and making it pointed to look my eyes more bigger and more sharper. So now what we'll do, we'll take this liner and apply as a kajal as well, so that it gives that deep effect. So not to worry if your liner is not equal, because anyways we'll blend it with the kajal. So on top of this liner, I'll take my kajal and I'll apply whatever part is left. I'll cover with this kajal, and then I'll take the lighter shade, the transition shade which I used above, and I'll take the smaller brush, a pencil brush, and will blend the kajal, liner and this transition color to give this smoky effect. So I'll quickly finish both the eyes off camera and will come back soon. It's done, you can see. So now I'll take again the same palette and we'll do the contouring. Make a line from ear to the start of your eyebrow. Also will do the contouring on my jawline to look my face bit slimmer. Then cover your hairline if your forehead is bigger. Now I will contour the sides of my nose so that it makes my nose look a bit sharper and pointed. Then we'll move to blusher. Here I have taken Miss Claire blusher palette. I will take a pink shade and will apply on cheeks. So guys, you might have noticed that I have mostly used Swiss Beauty and Miss Claire products because for beginners these products are really good. They are affordable, they are pigmented, and these are really good products. So my blusher is completed. So now again I'll take the same highlighting and contouring palette from Miss Claire and will apply on my cheekbone. Bridge of my nose, a very thin line, then center of the forehead, then with a smaller brush on my brow bone, slightly upper side of my eyebrows, then a cupid bow on your chin. Then comes my favorite product, which is lipstick. So here I have taken L'Oreal lipstick. I'll apply from the brush, it's a liquid one. First I will apply from the brush and then I'll apply from the applicator they have provided. So I'm applying red lipstick because the outfit which I'll wear is red. So whatever outfit you are wearing, you can choose lipstick as per that. So this is matte finish wet n wild setting spray to set my makeup for longer time. Also I'll quickly wear the false eyelashes off camera and will come back. After wearing false eyelashes, I'll apply Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. So guys, the eye makeup is completed. I'll quickly go and change my outfit and we'll come back soon. So guys, this is a final look with the outfit. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're gonna try this look, do tag me on Instagram. If you have any queries, you can post in comment section, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.